Okay, it's evening time, so I'm having to put a little artificial light, but this is the left rim of the tractor that I removed the rust and scrubbed it up a little bit and painted it, put some primer on it and painted it. Other than the pitting that you can see, it's in excellent shape. Unlike, holy cow, this is the rim off the right side. I picked it up today from the tire guy, and he said he literally had to use crowbars and hammers to break the tire off the rim. And he said the tube was actually bonded to the rust and rotting away. It's amazing how it kept the air. It was inflated. So I got it in my electrolyte solution, and we'll see how that goes. But this is going to be a much bigger effort, so we'll see what happens. Also, trying to find new tires of this tractor is proving to be a challenge. I'm learning a lot about tractors, in particular their tires. The tread being this high bar here, and they came in different sizes, angles. This is a 45-degree angle. Moderns are more 23. So if I want to keep this period, I need to find tractors with high bar 45-degree angle treads. And I've got a lead on one, but in any event, it's quite a controversy as to whether or not I should put period tires on this tractor or go with a modern style tire. But I'll keep pondering that more later.